Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Starlink disconnected. First, make sure the router is plugged in and the light is on. If there's no light, unplug the router, wait for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Unplugging the Starlink router from power, wait for 1 minute, then plug it back in. Give it 5 minutes to reconnect. After that, open the Starlink app on your phone. It says offline or disconnected. Look for the message like searching, observation, no signal. Follow any instructions shown in the app. Go outside and look at the Starlink dish. Make sure it's pointing at the sky. Nothing is blocking it like tree, buildings, snow. Clear any obstructions if needed. And make sure the cable from the dish to the router is pushed in tightly. Loose cables are very common cause of disconnection. On your phone, go to settings, tap Wi-Fi, tap your Starlink network, tap forget this network, reconnect and enter the password again. If Starlink is still disconnected, there may be a temporary outrage. Check the app and connect the Starlink support if needed. That's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.